we're gonna make this home page. Okay, so let's make this hero section. So here we're gonna choose this two section layout. Now let's set this hero. Okay, here you can see we have to set the max width 1300, and here we're gonna do this. Now we're gonna make this. Now you can see we have this one, and here we have the two. So here we have this, and the second one is also we can remove. So always remove all the excess paddings. Now let's click on this. Okay, now we're gonna do this, and here we're gonna choose an image. So let's go to the media library, and we're gonna choose this image. Here we're gonna make this center center, and display size would be cover. Okay, now let's go to the background overlay, and here you can see we have this background color. So let's go to the gradient, and here we're gonna choose this color, theme 1. Okay, and here also we're gonna set this theme. So okay, so let's make this theme little bit white, means less blur. Now we're gonna go to this opacity. Okay, so you can see we have this theme. Let's choose this only, and here we're gonna set this to little bit darkish type. Okay, so you have to just check this. So you can also increase and decrease the boldness of this like this. Okay, so let's increase this. Also you can decrease this. Okay, so this is looking good. Now you can see we have this image. So let me add a image in this second container. Okay, let's choose this this image. Where is the image? This is the image. Okay, like this. Okay, so this image is looking very big, so we can go to the advanced, go to the default option, and here you can set this image. So let's keep this 60, and here also you can see. Now we're gonna go to this, and we're gonna make this center and center. Also we're gonna make this from the bottom we're gonna remove the paddings and all. Okay, let's add this here. Now we're gonna just copy this. Okay, we're gonna just paste this, and let's increase, and let's make this white. Okay, let's increase the font size of this. So let's keep the font size a little bit more bigger. Okay, and here we're gonna make this em value, and just let's increase this. Okay, now let's add the lorem ipsum below. Okay, so these are the dummy text, so we can just use it like this. Okay, this is done. Now you can see we have this button. So for keeping the button we can add a container, and always names your container. So we can name this button box. Okay, now inside this we have to add some buttons. So let's add a button. Okay, so this button, let's change this text. Start project. Okay, now we're gonna make this orange. Then we can just make this 13, make this 15. Here also we're gonna make this 15. Here we can make this 30 and 30. Okay, so I think let's make this 20. Okay, so this is looking good. Okay, so button is looking really little bit bigger more, so let's give 15. Okay, so this is looking good. Okay, so after that you can see we have this hover effect also. So for the hover effect we can just go here, and we can make it white. Here also we can make this like this, and this hover animation we can have this shrink animation. Now you can see we have this, so for that we're gonna just go here. Let's make this, let's choose this icon list, and you can see we can drag and drop this. Use this btn box container, go to layout, and you can just make this like this, make it center and make it start. Now you can put some here spacing also, gaps. So here you can just remove all of this. and here we can write watch video, and here we can add a play button. So let's add a play button here. Okay, then we can add this here theme color of this. Also we can just go to the text, we can make this white. Okay, and here we can add this okay, so let's save this once, and here you can see we have the btn box. Let's add this 30 at the top like this. Okay, so we can also preview this from here. You can just click on this, so you can preview what you are making also. Okay, I think here we have this gap. I don't know why this gap is coming, so let me check. Okay, so here we have one. Okay, now I think the gap will not come. Okay, let's publish this, and after that let's view this page from here. So we can view this way. Okay, so here we don't getting this gap. Okay, so now you can see we have to add these lines. You can see we have some lines behind that. So for adding those lines, we can just click on this one, or you can also click on this stretch, and here we have one. So we can just go to this background, and here we can add these lines. Okay, so you can see we have these lines behind. Now we can have the center and center, and this would be no repeat. Okay, let's make this default. Display size would be covered like this, or let's keep it default. So you can add this type of thing, so this will look good. So now let's refresh this again. After that you can see we have this beautiful here. So you can see here we have a little bit more height is there, so we can just play with this, like we don't want heights and all. So this is looking good. Okay, now you can see we have these boxes. So how are we going to build these boxes? So for that we can just add a container in the second one. Okay, we can name this one. So let's check, this is inside this, so this is closing by keeping this, so it is inside this. Now we can just add some white color, and here we can also add the 20, and here we can just make it like this. Okay, so for that what we can do, we can just add an image here. Okay, let's try to find that image. So I think I don't have image, so let me check. I'm gonna save this image from here. Okay, so I have this image here, so let me just go here and upload the image. Let's go to the downloads. Okay, I will give you all of these images. So let's show this image. Okay, now we can just play with this custom widths like this. Let's make this 45. Here you can see we have this clients one, so for that we're gonna use the counter. You can use the counter. Okay, and here you can see we have this one, and here we can just make this in the center like this. So here you can see we have these 500 plus clients, so we can just add it here 500 plus, and here we can write here clients. Okay, and here you can see we have this and here we can just increase and decrease the size of this. Here we have the title black. Okay, we can just increase and decrease the size of this. Okay, now you can see we have this little bit more spacing, so what we can do, we can just let's try to keep the less spacing, but you can see we have this. So now let's go to the title. Here you will see we have this line height option. Okay, so let's play with that. So you can see this is good to go now. So one more thing we can do, that we can just make this width more smaller. Okay, like this. Let's keep this 30. 30 is like very small. 40 is good, and just we have to increase the size of this. Okay, like this. Now what we have to do, we have to place this above. How we're gonna place this above? So just we're gonna go to this one main container, go to absolute. Here you can see we have the absolute value. Just play with that now. So here we can just adjust this like this. You can just adjust his horizontal also like this, so you can see. And if you want to make the second one, just duplicate this and just go here and replace the name of this to second here, and here also you can just now you can see here we have this one. So there, that is very simple. You can just remove all of this, and now you have to just choose this list option, icon list. Okay, just remove all of this, and here you can see we have this like here we have energy efficient building. So you can write anything, energy efficient buildings, and here you can just choose any building from this. Let's choose this. Okay, here we can choose this building. Let's choose this building. Okay, now we can just go to the icon and we can just increase and decrease this. Here you can see we have the text size, and here we have this option, and here we have the 700. So we can just increase and decrease the size of this like this. Okay, and here also we have this text one. Here you can see we have this em value. Okay, just make this in the center. Okay, so this is looking, so in this way you can just keep the things by using the absolute value. I hope you understand. Part of these images are in the video description, so you can follow along with me. So you can see this is looking good. This is looking good, I think. Okay, so in this way we have built the hero section. So